What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another day in life. It is Wednesday. It is 9:50 right now. I am on the charts, but I forgot to record. So I am on the charts. We got 10 minutes till 10. You know, I sit on my hands before my camera cut off. It is 10 minutes later now. Yeah, so I do sit on the charts till 10, and right now we're looking for buys, and it looks like a setup is approaching right now. So it is 10:09, right? We are looking for buys. We had a little bit of a retrace here because obviously the market can't just go all the way up all the time. We did have respect this 1 hour for value gap to the downside though, so I'm still long though, because as you guys can see, you know, we got breaks of structure, we got movement up, we got a strong candle close up here. News came out bullish, so that's another indicator, and we can go on the heat map now. Got the heat map pulled up. There's really strong sellers here. The buyers are starting to thin out. So right now, for me, bias is in the air once again. If we can break past like this, if a setup gets placed here, you know what I'm saying? Like, look, we're selling off now. But if a setup can get made here, then I'll probably take the long. But buyers are thinning out and sellers are really strong up here. So I'm pretty sure I missed this trade that I should have took. But obviously I wasn't bullish, so I didn't end up taking this trade. I mean bearish. I wasn't bearish, so I didn't end up taking this trade. Right now we had a low resistance liquidity sweep here, moves to the downside, moves back into this gap, and then straight falling from there. So it's looking like we are getting a reversal here. I do like this setup, so I might go ahead and take it right here. We had a good recovery. We had moves to the downside. We had what's it called, a 15-minute fair value gap get respected 3 times. So I think I'm gonna go take this long right here. We're gonna see though, just have to see the entry. We have to close above that gap just to get that entry. All right, so like I said, we are in this trade. This could possibly be just a pullback to the you know what I'm saying, to the upside, and then continue down. But like I said, we do have this 15-minute gap holding. I do like this trade, even though we're in a bit of a drawdown. Maybe I have a bad entry, maybe I did rush it, maybe I didn't, I don't know. So let's just see what happens. There's nothing that we can do now. We are in the trade. I know, I understand, I'm not really in a trade, I'm in a demo or whatever, but we're gonna treat it like it's a real trade, and let's look like we're gonna get stopped out here soon. It's looking like we got edged. We did not get stopped out. We got edged, and you know, maybe we can turn this around. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this trade is over unless we get back into profit. But as of right now, I'm chilling, I'm sitting on my hands. Stop loss is at this low. Let me just put it correctly, because I didn't get stopped out yet, obviously, because it would have, you know what I'm saying, it would have thing. Oh yeah, stop loss is perfect. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so stop loss is perfect. Hopefully we don't get stopped out though. We did get edged. We didn't get stopped out, so that's crazy to me. And now we're right back in profit. I'm pretty sure my stop loss was perfect. 53 ticks to make 82 ticks. So hopefully we continue this movement to the upside. I'm not gonna lie, luck was on my side today, because that's crazy. If I win this trade, luck was on my side today. Well, spoke too soon. Looks like we ended up hitting some consolidation, and now we might get stopped out. Right here. Yeah, all right, you know what I'm saying? We took an L. This is the first L, I think, in 2 days. Get our day started. I'm gonna go take care of this hair, because I'm woofing, bro. My hair is crazy right now. I haven't got a cut in like 3 months. Let's go eat some eggs. Let's go clean this room, and let's just get straight to our day. I don't really feel like cooking today, so we got 2 hard-boiled eggs. I already ate one. One is down there. I already ate one with a little bit of salt. So eggs and salt is gonna be my breakfast, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go get a haircut around 1. I have what, 3 hours, 4 hours till that. Clean up this room, get on the charts, see what I did wrong, and see what I didn't see that the market decided to you know, go short instead of my way, which was long. But yeah, everybody makes mistakes, so I'm not even gonna beat myself about it too much. So yeah. All right, so we on the way to the barbershop. My camera's about to die, so I gotta film this really quick. But we on the way to the barbershop. Oh my God. We on the way to the barbershop, so After that, I'll pick up the camera, start editing this video, and do what I gotta do. All right, so it doesn't look like such much of a difference because my hair is not, you know what I'm saying, but we got the haircut done and everything. My nose big as hell. We got the eyebrows done and everything. But yeah, we got a fresh cut. My camera's still about to die, so I'm gonna record when I'm home. But we got a fresh cut, whatever. Gotta get new earrings, and we're gonna be all set. So I'm gonna catch y'all at home. All right, so we are back home. We got the fresh cut, you know what I'm saying? I still gotta take a shower, you know what I'm saying, to you know, get it all finalized and whatever. But I'm gonna start editing this video. Like I said, my camera is still gonna die, but I'm gonna start editing this video and then head to the gym after. And maybe I'll show you guys, you know what, I'll record a trade recap for you guys because I did end up losing on the day, but there's, you know, might as well give you guys a trade recap. All right, let's get right into this trade recap. So as you guys can see, we ended up taking an L, which is crazy, but it's okay. All right, so we came into market open. CPI gave us big pushes to the upside. So, you know me, I was thinking, you know, we're bullish, right? So when we were bullish, obviously we get a big move up. We got basically market structure to the upside, right? And before we got all this down here. So we were obviously bullish on the day. Today's trade wasn't really like off of liquidity sweep for value gap. It was really off this gap, main gap right here, off this 15-minute gap right here, which I did like at the moment. As you guys can see, there is really beautiful rejections twice out of it. So I really did like this 15-minute gap. So that was basically the bias, basically the entry, not really the entry. We entered off an inverse for value gap. Once it respected this 15-minute gap, right, we entered off this inverse for value gap, and we entered and ended up getting cooked, but that's okay. I usually never trade off inverse for value gaps. I usually trade, you know, for what's it called, for value gap, liquidity sweep, and you know what I'm saying, I usually trade that. My setup, if I was bearish, my setup would have played out perfectly. If you guys can see here, if I was bearish, we got 1 hour liquidity get taken here, boom, it's good confirmation. Then low resistance liquidity gets taken here. We got a big move to the downside. We got a big gap left behind. We got a break of structure, and then we got to tap into the for value gap, and then boom, that would have been an entry right there. Boom, right here. 50 ticks would have been perfectly above this gap, which I would be fine with that, and target would have been 100. No, maybe these lows down here on this side right here, maybe these lows, or maybe even, let's see, 5 minute, yeah, 5 minute lows. That would have been the ideal target. We would have went for a 1 to 1.4, basically a 1 to 1.5, and we would have been green. We would have been green. But yeah, I mean, that goes to show that obviously nobody's perfect. I'm not perfect. But yeah, obviously today I was just wrong, completely wrong, and there's nothing I could do about it. I'm not gonna lie, it is the next day. My camera did cut off and I got mad because my camera needs to charge, but this is gonna be the end of the video. This is Thursday's trade. We took a dub. We went for a 1 to 1.5 and we took a W, and now we're tanking. So that's Thursday's trade, just to let you guys know. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video off here. It is the next day. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you really enjoyed, subscribe, like, and comment. I'm gonna be making a new video on Friday because I am off on Friday. Unfortunately, today I do work. So on Friday I'm off. I'm gonna go with my boy. It's his birthday that day. So we're gonna be, you know, we're gonna be outside. So if you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.